All right, for this one, we're looking at long division for a polynomial. So we're going to divide x to the fourth plus 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. And we're going to divide it by x plus 1. We're going to identify each part of it, the polynomial, the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder, and express it in the form of divisor times quotient plus remainder is equal to p of x. So let's put it in long division form, so x plus 1, and we are to divide x to the fourth plus 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. So the first thing is we want to always make the first term. We want to make the first term of the divisor look like the first term that we are dividing. So for each time we do it. So to make x, what would I multiply x by to get to x to the fourth? Well, that's x cubed. So we're going to multiply x cubed. So we're going to take x cubed, multiply it to x, and then to 1. So that means I'm going to get x to the fourth plus x cubed. And each time I subtract. There we go. Each time I subtract so that I can cancel. The whole point is so that it cancels the first term, so that I'm left with x cubed. Then I bring down the next term. So x cubed. To make x look like x cubed, I multiply it by x squared. So x squared multiplies to x and multiplies to 1. So I get x cubed plus x squared. Again, I subtract both of them. So x cubed minus x cubed, and then I have 2x squared minus x squared. So that leaves me with just x squared. Bring the next term down. Plus 2x. So again, we're going to see we want x to look like x squared. So I have to multiply it by x. X multiplies to x, and x multiplies to 1. And subtract them both. So that I get x squared minus x squared, and I have 2x minus x, which means I have x. The last term comes down, plus 1. So to make x look like x, it is itself, so I'm going to just multiply it to 1 so that I get x plus 1, and I subtract. Terms are canceled. Everything cancels, so it goes to 0. That's the remainder. So our polynomial that we were dividing, x to the fourth plus 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Our divisor, what we're dividing by, is x plus 1. Then we have our quotient, which is x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1, and the remainder, which is 0. So p of x can be rewritten, or can be written or shown to be the divisor, x plus 1, times the quotient, x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1, plus the remainder. And that's it.